Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am so excited to share with you all that I have just launched my second online wardrobe sewing series. If you are new to the channel and you're not quite sure what an online wardrobe series is, I launched my first one last year, and it was with the idea to just simplify the process of creating a wardrobe. I have hundreds of patterns. You all know I love my patterns. I'm always catching the sale, doing a pattern haul, sharing them with you all. So you know I love my patterns, but sometimes when you have so many, it's really hard and it gets overwhelming and confusing when you're trying to build a wardrobe and maybe you just want 5 pieces, a dress, a top, pants, skirt, jacket. But when you have all these patterns and you love them all, sometimes it can be a little, confusing trying to pick and choose which ones you love and want to use the most. So the online wardrobe series, it simplifies all that. We use only one pattern and we sew all of the views on that pattern to create a mini wardrobe. In this new series, we follow along with McCalls 7635 to create a casual everyday wardrobe. One thing that I really love about this pattern is how easy these pieces can mix and match to create multiple looks, and you can also pair them with other garments that you already love in your wardrobe. I also love the size range on this pattern. This pattern covers size ranges from 8 through 16 in one pattern envelope, and in the other envelope it covers sizes 18 through 24. This series is great for those that are ready to do a little bit more focused and intentional sewing to create a mini wardrobe. It's also great for beginners because this pattern has garments in both knits as well as woven fabrics. So you kind of get the best of both worlds, and I will be walking you through again step by step to sew on the garments, and then we can further build upon your sewing knowledge. All of the fabrics that you see I've used in this series were sponsored by fashionfabricsclub.com, so I had to give a big thank you and shout out to them. They have a wide range of fabrics at affordable prices, and I have provided you all with all of the links to these fabrics in the series. So I hope that you all are excited and ready to sew your mini wardrobe. I have a link down in the description box that will take you over to the blog so you can read more about the series there, and you can also purchase the series there as well, and it is currently set at a special price throughout this weekend. So the launch date is today, which is Friday, March 20th, 2020, and so that special price is going to go through to Sunday on the 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.